Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if you want to learn how to send crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet, this is the video you're looking for. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to Wallet and then click on Find and Spot. You'll then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one, and over on this page you want to click on the Withdrawal button. Here, the first thing you need to do is to select the coin you want to transfer. So for this example, I'll go with Algorand. Once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, you will now need to fill in the address you want to transfer to. So to find this address, you need to go over to Trust Wallet and then go over to the wallet page. You'll then see a screen looking similar to this one, and over on this page you need to click on Receive. You'll then get this pop-up, and over at this pop-up you need to search for the coin you want to transfer. So for me that will be Algorand, but if you need to search for a coin you can use the search bar and search for any specific coin. So let's say I would like to transfer Ethereum Classic, I could just fill in Ethereum and then click on Ethereum Classic. But since I want to transfer Algorand, I'll go ahead and select Algorand. You'll then get this screen, and over on this screen you need to make sure you get your address to your computer. So to do this, you could send yourself an email. Yes, you can actually send an email to your own email address. Or what I like to do is to click on Share and then click on WhatsApp. I'll be sending my address in a private group of mine. So if you're using WhatsApp to send your address to yourself, you can find your address by going over to web.whatsapp. So once you have copied your address, you can go back over to Binance and then simply copy and paste your address in. You will also see that my network has instantly been matched to the corresponding network, but if you're not sure which network to use, I recommend you Google something like which network should I use to withdraw and then the name of your cryptocurrency. So once you have selected the coin you want to transfer, the address you want to transfer to, and the network you want to use, all that's left to do is to fill in the amount of coins you would like to transfer. So you can fill in the amount manually, or you can click on the max button to select all of your available holdings. But obviously I don't want to transfer 1225 Algorand, so I'll go ahead and fill in 20. Once you have filled in the amount of coins you would like to transfer, all that's left to do is to click on Withdrawal. You'll then get this pop-up, and please make sure to double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes. Once you have done that, you can click on Continue. You'll then get the security verification. You'll then need to go through the security verification process. To do this, you need to click on Get Code and then fill in the codes you get on your email or your phone. Once you have filled in all the verification codes, you can now go ahead and click on the Submit button. You'll then see this pop-up saying Withdrawal Request Submitted. Just a quick tip, you can save the address so the next time you want to transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet, you won't have to search for the address again. So you can give your address a label, for me that will be Trust Wallet Algorand. And once you've done that, you can also select the address origin. In this case, that's an exchange address, and then you need to click on Select Exchange, and then you will need to select the exchange. Since Trust Wallet isn't on this list, you need to scroll down and click on Others. And then you can give the exchange a name, so in this case it will be Trust Wallet. So now that you've filled in everything you need to fill in, you can click on OK. And then click on Save. As you can see, my withdrawal has been completed, and also when I go over to Trust Wallet and I refresh, you'll see that now I've got my Algorand on Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.